guys, let's get into it here. Yeah, I got the score. Okay. All right, so it's Sunday. I already set up the weekly swing signals for you guys here. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Did not keep going. All right, so we're gonna be buying the US dollar for this week, looking for the US dollar to penetrate back up to 106. And then we'll see if it breaks above 106 by the end of the week here. So losing a lot of steam at the 105.8 mark here. But still buying the US dollar index to look to see if it's gonna even go further above 106. All right, so buying indices. I know it's kind of weird buying indices, but anyways, yes. Looking for US dollar to hit 40,000 by the end of this week here. That is my main target. Does not break 40,000, but end up selling it back down. Uh, let's see here, for S&P 500, looking for this price to jump back to 5,500, and then we'll see if it breaks up anything higher than that. So that's all I'm going to shoot for is 5,500, and then from there we will see how much more it's going to go. Nasdaq losing a lot of steam back here on Friday. It did break 20,000. It broke all the way up to 20,157 off the wick here. Be mindful that this is the weekly chart, so you're gonna have to drop back down. I would highly recommend scalping. If you notice that the two candlesticks on Nasdaq and S&P 500, they're losing a lot more resistance than how US 30 isn't losing any much resistance here. US 30 is more bullish. So these two pairs are kind of like more, they're more going on their own. They're not following as much as US 30 is following with the US dollar index. So this is you don't see this too often. So very uncommon to see this. Usually when US 30 goes up, the DXY drops down. Same vice versa. If the US dollar goes up, then US 30 will go down. So be mindful where these indices are individually going in their own correlation, and also, pay attention to the charts individually instead of just saying if S&P was to go up, then you would buy Nasdaq and you'd also buy Wall Street. So just be very well aware where these three different pairs are going on its own. All right, so gold and silver. Selling gold and silver here. So looking for gold to drop back to 2,300, and then to break below 2,300 back to 2,290. And then from there, we'll see if it breaks this weekly support at 2,290. That's all I'll be looking at. For silver, looking for silver to break back down to $29 in value. And then we'll see if it goes below 29 by the end of the week here. UJ, massive move on UJ. So it's broken a new high. Yeah, based on the candle closing, but not off the wick. But it's broken a new high for the candle closing here. And looking for it to break 160. And then we'll see if it goes above 160, by the end of the week here. We could very well just see consolidation for the last remainder week of June here. Okay, because we are in the last week of June. I don't really expect a whole lot of movement. So we'll see how this week goes by. I hadn't looked at that calendar yet. Look, we're gonna be selling USD CAD. Yes, it's kind of weird selling US dollar, Canadian dollar here, but I'm looking to sell this pair back down. It has not broken above 138, and every time it's touched 138, it's dropped itself back down. So it's at 136.881 here, on Forex trading chart here, and I'm looking to sell it back down to 136. If for some reason it finds its, way to go back up again, we'll end up buying it. But like I said, on the weekly, we're gonna do a weekly sell. Okay, so buying US dollar Swiss franc back to 90. That'd be the first target, and then the big move would be to come back to break 91 and 92. 92 would be the big move, but 91 would be the next move after it breaks 90. And also, it's in this consolidation zone, so the structure here is still pretty short and narrow from going from 89 back to 92 here. Euro, looking for Euro to drop back to 106. Hold on. That'd be my first target. 106, 106.3. And then the next move would be come break below 106 back to 105. That'll be my first target is right here. This weekly support here at 106.272, 106.3. That'd be the first target for it to come back down. Oh, dang! Somebody racing out there. All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys can hear that. All right, so we're buying Euro British pound. Looking for this pair to break up to 85. And then we will see if it breaks above 85 from there. That's as high as I'm going to go. So I wouldn't be too, I wouldn't get too excited on buying this pair. Like I said, it's been consolidating so much in this price market 84. The pound, looking for the pound to finally make a big move down here. Back to break 126.000 first, and then to break down to 125. And then the big move would be to break down all the way down to 120. That's like long term though. It has to be like a drastic move here. Let's see. We're selling the Australian dollar back down to 66. And then the next move would be to break 66 back down to 65.76 here. That would be my big move here to break this weekly support at 65.766 here. And then selling New Zealand dollar back down to break 61. And then once it breaks 61, I'm looking for it to break back down to 60. Okay, 60. So the 60 price market is all the way back down here. And then we'll see how much more it's going to go down. But I'm looking for them to be very bearish and probably end up being the two weakest currencies for this week here. All right, so let's go into the economic calendar here. Want to be able to run through what's going to happen. New Zealand's got a bank holiday. Did I just see that? Yeah. New Zealand's got a bank holiday on Thursday. Okay. Okay, so not a whole lot. Not really care about Mecklen speak. CAD news Tuesday morning. Final GDP is gonna be big. That's gonna be big. Final GDP Thursday morning. And during New York session. Now that's gonna be a big move here. Other than that, CAD's GDP if you want to trade CAD. Other than that, that's all I got for Thursday and Friday. Tuesday, unless you're trading CAD, CPI, Australia CPI Tuesday night. So a lot of main focus on CAD, and then the main focus Thursday morning for final GDP, the gross domestic product for the quarter for the United States here. New Zealand's got bank holiday Thursday. What is their bank holiday about? Matariki? Okay. I don't know what that means, but comment below. Let me know what that holiday means. All right, now that's all I got for you guys for the weekly swing signals and the weekly swing analysis report here for I got. If there's any questions and concerns in regarding the analysis or the signals, let me know in the chat group, for the Telegram chat group. All right, now see you guys in the chat group. All right, happy Sunday fun day. Peace out, guys. All right, guys, happy Sunday fun day. All right, so let's get into it here. We'll talk about what we're doing for crypto here. So for cryptocurrency, let's get into it here. So cryptocurrency, still holding the sell positions from Friday. I already sent out the signals already. I already sent out snapshots and screenshots of the actual selling positions that I'm currently holding. Still in profit of selling all the cryptocurrencies. So looking at Bitcoin right here on the daily chart, looking for Bitcoin to drop back down to break below 64,000 back to 63,000. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to break 3,400 back down to 3,300. Litecoin did a retracement back up this morning here. But I'm still looking for Litecoin to come back down and break $70 in price. And then for Shiba to come break the next support back to the 10 mark here. Back all the way down here. So I got all the way down here. That's what I'm looking at. From the very beginning here. I want to highlight right here, guys, for you guys. You got to get a chance to see what I'm talking about. Looking for it to come down. Break all of this structure here on the support here. For Shiba. For Shiba, Dave. Y'all know what I'm saying. All right, so I'm gonna erase all this here. That is what I'd be looking at here. What I'm gonna do this. Probably nothing up. Dogecoin, look for Dogecoin to come back down to break 10 cents in value. And then the next move would be to break 8 and 6 cents in value here on the next daily support price, back down to 7.5 cents right here, back here. Ripple, looking for Ripple to come down to break 45 cents. And then the next one would be break 40 cents in value. Neo, looking for Neo to break the support price of $10. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Dash, looking for Dash come down and break back to 22. Let me highlight this here, 22 to 21. And then we'll highlight all back down, narrowing it down. That's gonna be my zone structure from 21 to 25, but still looking for it to drop back down and break 21 to 20. Solana, looking for Solana to hit 130, breaking it back down to 126 here on the support price on daily chart. Zcash, looking for Zcash. Oh, Zcash is already coming back down here at the very bottom here. Not the very bottom, but pretty close to the bottom structure here. I'm just zoning back out here. So the next move would be to come back to go below 19, back to $18 in value. And then finally for Tezos, looking to come back down to the wick of 67 cents in value here. And then that's all I got for cryptocurrency. I know it's very fast paced. Just looking to hold the sell positions. I don't expect too much of an uptrend anymore. Like I said, it's going to be coming downward here. The other next big factors to see where Bitcoin is going to strike the downtrend going back down to break 60,000. And then we'll see if it touches back to here at, what was this the move here? 58,000. It touched 58,000 and shot back up to 71 again to retest 71, but it's never come back up to retest it. So we could very well see consolidation throughout this, summer season of trading. And Bitcoin hasn't really dropped a whole lot either, but it's still, it's still going down. Well, like I said, not too much going down here. So if we were to narrow this down and drop down to the 4-hour chart, like you're looking at a lot of consolidation between 63 and 65,000 here. So we'll see how much more they're going to keep going. But other than that, so I'll have you guys for selling cryptocurrencies. I already sent out the sell signals already. I've been holding out these sell positions since Friday. So and plan on holding it unless something major happens tomorrow, which I don't end up seeing. But we are coming into the last week of June, and then we're going to transition over to July. So, other than that, any questions or comments or concerns regarding the signals or the analysis that I sent out? Let me know in the Telegram chat group for crypto. Peace out, guys. Happy Sunday.